drive technologies, and I think Brandon and I were just touching on that. Some of that stuff it just keeps changing.
Yeah, and again, it all starts with understanding the fundamentals of the systems, what you can do, what you can't do, and even simple things that can really be a trap for the vehicle owner. If you have one tire need to be replaced, you can't just change one tire.
Oh, tell me about it. Have that conversation with your customer. Well, I only got 2 that need replaced. Why can't I just do 2? Well, you can, but you're gonna tear up your drivetrain a little bit down the road.
Well, there's serious potential to do that, and we got some routines for the technicians to be able to figure out if the tires truly match sizes. We've got some case studies that are associated to the class, and one of them is actually pretty interesting because it's a Jeep that when you look at the tires, they're the same brand, the same sizes as far as what's on the sidewall, but 2 of them were manufactured in Japan and 2 of them were manufactured somewhere else in the world, and they were different enough to cause a drivability problem.
Wow. So it's not just, it tearing up the drivetrain, it's causing some technology problems on the computer end.
We'll leave that for the class, what
Okay.
exactly it's doing, but it was causing a severe vibration,
Yeah,
and it was
it's
hard for the technicians to figure out what was going on.